Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to disable comments in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok. Then we open our profile in the bottom right corner. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then we open Privacy. Here we select Comments. Click Comments. And here, if we want to disable comments in TikTok, we can put for everyone, for friends, and we can also click Turn Off for everyone. After that, no one can send us, write any comments under our videos in TikTok. This is a simple way to do it. But if you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. Goodbye.